Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Briza air conditioner. So right off the bat, I'm going to say to you guys that this product is a scam. So it is basically impossible for this small device to cool an entire room just by being this small, since where will it get the power from? And as you can see, it is very small, just the size of your torso maybe, and just as long as your torso, and as long as your forearm maybe. And basically it's just very small. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here on Amazon, and they're rated 1.8 out of 5 stars, unsurprisingly that it is bad, with only 24 ratings. So as you can see, they claim to air cooler all day mobility. So basically they claim that it's an air conditioner on the go, which is pretty funny. And let's read some reviews to see. Now before we read the reviews, a lot of you has been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process, and the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. Now with that out of the way, let's read some reviews real quick right here. And as you can see, this person said, "Do not buy this. Never worked. I thought I was getting a mini air conditioner. Disappointed. This is a fan," which is what it is. It's basically just a fan, guys, so please do not expect this product to cool the room. This is just a fan. It's useless, appears to be a scam, leaks water, and a lot more. So since it is very small, where will it cool the water from? Where will it cool the air? How can it do it? It's just a fan. So please, guys, do not buy this product with the intent of cooling an entire room. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.